Excerpts from the governor's speech show he's planning to talk about taxes, gun violence, and even child care costs. Political reporter Darielle Fair will be covering the speech for us tonight.
Later this evening, Democratic Governor Tony Evers will deliver his 2025 State of the State address here at the Wisconsin State Capitol, outlining key provisions of his proposed budget to members of the legislature and the public. The governor also announced on Tuesday he plans to release his 2025 to 2027 biannual budget on February 18th. This is Evers' seventh State of the State address since he took office in 2019. Excerpts his office released today say his remarks will focus on bipartisan efforts to lower the tax burden for working class families. Tax cuts Republican lawmakers introduced that Evers signed off on last session, signaling there could be additional bipartisan support on similar proposals as both branches negotiate the next two-year budget plan. Evers will also speak to the state's historically low employment rates under his administration. The governor's office says Evers plans to announce a proposed $300 million investment to be allocated towards comprehensive mental health services in schools. This will also be an opportunity for the governor to reflect on his previous accomplishments and outline his policy priorities for 2025. Some of those including reducing crime and gun violence, proposals the governor has already begun efforting with his executive order to establish the Office of Violence Prevention last week. We know Evers will give at least one more State of the State address next year, as he has not made clear to the public whether he plans to run for a third term in 2026. Reporting from the Capitol, I'm Darielle Fair.